Gradio is a Python library that helps us build a quick demo web app, and at the back end we can hook in any arbitrary Python function that can call a machine learning model or any random API and do any processing on the data of it. To showcase, one doesn't need to know any JavaScript, CSS or web hosting experience. All they need is Python 3.8 and higher, and to do pip install Gradio. So once we have Gradio available, it's always good to have it in virtualenv. So python -m venv.virtualenv path and then sourcing the activate file would enable it. We already have it enabled in our case. So as you see, the sample would be as easy as importing Gradio, defining the function that does require processing to the inputs, as we have text and slider here, so we get name and intensity, and then the output, the return value goes to the output. So we have a sample already saved here. Let's see. Okay, we have Gradio available to us after the pip install. The file name is gr01 hello world. In demo name, we assign the value that's in file have gr.interface assigned to it. Let's rename it to demox just to make sure. Now then when we run it, it identifies the available demo, makes it available as 7860, and if in demo.launch we would have made share is equal to true, it would have made it available publicly. Let's see if it's working as intended. It is. So now if we give it a wrong demo name, what will happen is it says cannot statically find the Gradio demo, and the reload might not work. So the app will still work, but we make any change to the file code, it might not get reloaded correctly. That's the only downside to it. So let's try making a change here. We'll increase more input field here. So the symbol that we are using for tilde, we'll be passing it from the user interface itself. And we'll see how easy it is to get a new input field in the web UI. There must be something wrong with the change that I did. Let's just go back to the code and see. Oh, I missed a comma. Let's add it. Let's rerun it. Seems to be working. Let's try it out, the new input field symbol. So we'll be providing it a star instead of tilde, and it's working. So that's the quick demo.